Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to change the language on Google Maps in 2025. Whether you're traveling to a new country or just want your app to feel more familiar, adjusting the language is a breeze and can make your navigation experience way better. Let's jump right in. First things first, we'll start with the Google Maps mobile app, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. This will bring up a menu. Look for Settings and tap on it. Now, scroll down until you find the Language option. It might be under a sub-menu like General or App Settings, depending on your device. Once you're in the Language section, you'll see a list of available languages. Simply select the one you want. Google Maps supports dozens of languages worldwide. After you make your selection, the app might ask you to confirm or restart. Go ahead and do that, and voila! Your Google Maps interface will now be in your chosen language. If you're using Google Maps on the web, the process is just as straightforward. Head over to maps.google.com on your browser. Click on the three horizontal lines or the menu icon in the top left corner to open the side panel. From there, select Settings at the bottom. Look for the Language tab, and you'll find a drop-down menu. Choose your preferred language, and it should apply immediately. Remember, changing the language on the web version might not affect your mobile app, so you may need to do both for a seamless experience. One quick tip. If the language doesn't change right away, try clearing your cache or updating the app to the latest 2025 version. This ensures everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you change the language on Google Maps in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.